Welcome to SEQ Campers Marcoola. We have now moved. We're not in 100%, but if you see the camper, you know you've come to the right place. Please come with me. Our lots are in the back shed, so please don't go into these front offices. They're a different business. When you come to visit us, you'll see that our service workshop is in this back shed all the way in the back here. And our office with our new showroom is in here. Come along. Have a quick peek. You can see it's being refurbished in here for the workshop. It'll be a new state-of-the-art workshop, perfect for your Kimberley Campers and Stockman Rovers. And our new showroom will be all fully inside. We will still have a few units out here, but come on in and say hello to Linda. Linda will always be here to greet you and say hello.
Good morning, welcome to SEQ.
We'll be having a big event here somewhere around mid-September to welcome everyone, so keep your eye on the socials. This is how we've started out, but you'll see by the time we have our big exposition, everything will have changed here. Come down and see us at SEQ Campers Marcoola. We're right by the airport. If you head to the airport, you can't miss us. We're right at the little industrial estate on the left-hand side. 6 Bonanza Court, Marcoola, 4564. Come visit us today at SEQ Campers Marcoola.